The Android versus iPhone debate, which was only about hardware and features, is quickly becoming a war over artificial intelligence. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Google's Gemini, which is now replacing Google Assistant, is showing up as a true AI powerhouse. It's fast, context-aware, and multimodal, meaning it can see, hear, and understand what's around you in real time with Gemini Live. Meanwhile, iPhone users are still waiting for Apple Intelligence to fully launch and are stuck with a version of Siri that hasn't quite caught up yet. Gemini accepts voice, text, and even file uploads. It can analyze what's on your screen, identify what your camera sees, and respond in natural language with smart insights, which is something Siri still stumbles on. Apple's new visual intelligence sounds cool, but it's mostly just ChatGPT dressed in Apple UI. Even in generative image editing, Apple's cleanup tool can't pull far ahead of Google's Magic Eraser. Both are useful in a pinch, but unreliable in detail. Image generation? A toss-up. Apple's Image Playground is safer, but more limited, while Android tools like Pixel Studio are looser and more powerful. However, when it comes to privacy, Apple gains some ground. Apple Intelligence runs locally or through private cloud compute, which even Apple can't access. In contrast, Gemini's cloud-first model means your data may stick around and be reviewed even long after you're done. Still, AI ain't all about privacy. It's about power and utility, and Android wins on that front, at least for now. Until Apple Intelligence catches up, many iPhone users will rely on third-party AI like ChatGPT, making Android's native experience feel miles ahead. So, Android's the winner here. Who are you rooting for? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.